Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you. Hope you're all doing great. So there is an extreme divergence in the market, and you know what happened today, whether it is Nifty, Banknifty or Sensex. After 3 p.m. we saw a sharp move in the market, and I've been saying that there is a divergence and this is the time to be very cautious. We'll talk about that briefly in this video. Before that, let me tell you, we have a webinar on 6th of January, which is going to be a Saturday, 10 a.m. morning. Around 10 a.m. morning, we are going to discuss extensively about expiry day trades. So, talking about expiry day trades, today we made a profit of around how much? Let me go to the screen. Yeah, we made a profit of around 64,486 rupees. And today is the first day of January series and first day of this calendar year, and I'm really happy to start with a good note. And I also wish you all a happy and prosperous new year. I hope you have made good money in 2023, and I hope you will make good money in 2024 as well. Right now, looking at the markets are big blunder today, and we saw a sharp move downside, whether it is Nifty, Banknifty, or for that matter even Sensex was falling like anything. It was falling like dominoes. Let me change this to a 5 minute chart, and if you see, this is the Banknifty chart, and you can see the top was around after 3 p.m. the move was like it came from 48,400 or 48,500 levels almost to around 48,000 levels, a drop of around maybe 450 points or let's say 500 points. So what is the main concern? First thing is DIIs are net sellers today. We'll talk about that. And second thing is there was a conspiracy, or there was one rumor that Khalistan terrorist head was tweaking that they are going to, he is saying that they are going to attack Bombay Stock Exchange on January 10th or something like that. So that might also cost a panic in the market. So otherwise everything looks fine, and this divergence is something which I have been talking for a very long time. So for last 3 or 4 days I have been saying that there is a heavy divergence in the market. And if you see the Banknifty chart on a daily time frame, you can see 3 days of undecisiveness, right? If you see here on 28th of December there was a doji pattern, and if you see on 29th of December next day also we are having a doji pattern, and on Monday, which is today, also we are having doji pattern. 3 days of doji pattern. You tell me, have you ever seen 3 days of doji pattern and the market is going on the higher side? Let me know on the comment section below. So the likelihood of market coming down is very high. Now you may ask, you have been saying this for a very long time. In fact, I agree, this is obvious question that I have been saying that the market has to correct. We are super stretched, and I still stand by that. We are expecting, or not we, the correct word is I am expecting some consolidation, or I am expecting some kind of downward movements in the market, because we have been gone very long. We had an excellent bull run. In terms of Banknifty, we have gone from 44,600 all the way till around 49,000, or let's say 48,000 levels, which is an excellent bull run in terms of Banknifty. So there should be a correction. Market works on cyclicals, and market will not go in one direction. That is the main perspective or main outlook I am having in terms of Banknifty. And in terms of Nifty, if you see, the same applies to Nifty also. Only one thing is, Banknifty is losing momentum. So 3 days of doji pattern in Banknifty, and every doji is closing lower than the previous doji. So that is the main thing. So this shows that there is a loss of momentum in Banknifty. But at the same time, if you see Nifty, we are seeing the same doji pattern, but market is not ready to come below around 21,500. So that is the main point here. So if you see here, even today's chart pattern, so even today's chart pattern, if you go and see today's chart pattern, price action, low was around 21,680. So the market has to come, Nifty has to come below 21,500 for it to correct, or let's say it has to some extent it has to come below 21,500. Okay, now it has come below 21,500. What is going to happen next? I don't see anywhere Nifty going anywhere below 21,200 or let's say 21,500 levels, because that is a very, very strong support in terms of Nifty. And Sensex also, if you see, Sensex also dropped drastically, more than 500 to 600 points in today's trading session, and the majority of the move was after 3 p.m. So all the three indices, whether it is Nifty, Banknifty or Sensex, you are seeing divergence, heavy negative divergence in the sense RSI is showing higher low, but price action is showing higher high. And whenever this divergence is coming, the market will likely correct. So what will happen to Sensex? If at all there is a correction, where will Sensex end up? It will end up around 70,000. That is what I believe. So all three indices have gone high. In fact, Sensex has gone from 68,000 all the way to 72,500. That's a really good bull run. So the market should correct. And I have been saying, if I'm saying that, I have been saying this for a very, very long time. Like since last 1 week I have been saying this, but the market has not moved anywhere. Have you seen, since I have been saying that there is going to be a correction, the market is super stretched, and the likelihood of market going on the higher side is very, very remote. And from the day I am saying this, market has been correct. It is not corrected. In fact, it is not either moving on the higher side or it is not moving on the downside. So one simple question I will ask you, if you can answer me, or if you can let me know on the comment section, have you ever seen 3 days of doji pattern, 3 days of undecisiveness, 3 days of hitting lows, then market going on the higher side? Of course it will go, I'm not saying it is not going to go, but there has to be really positive news which we are lacking. So the probability is on the downside. I stand by that. I have a perspective that the market will correct, and even if the market goes on the higher side, we will make money, or we will try to make money. Don't think I am arrogant. I'm speaking arrogant. I'm just telling you the fact, right? So whether you are wrong or whether you are right, the end of the day, you will have to come out of the out of the market with money in your pocket. That is the main objective of you. That is the main objective of me. That's why we are here in this fraternity, right? And in terms of US market and other markets, if you see, US markets are closed today because of New Year's Eve. Everyone will be in New Year's Eve. And FIA data, if you see, FIAs are net sellers. They have sold for 855 crores and DIIs have bought for 410 crores, right? I hope I have summarized everything. So I strongly believe that the market will come on the downside, market will correct. It doesn't mean the market will crash going down. It will correct significantly is what I'm expecting in the month of January. So let us see how things work out. I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, take care. Bye.